All right, so next up, we've got another one of our FH16 750s. While the driver's on holiday, she's in need of a bit of love and attention. We're going to repaint all the chevrons on the front bumper because the paint's starting to peel away and just big stone chips and stuff around the front. So we're going to give this a good tidy up. And then we've got a bit of changing up to do where this catwalk's bouncing around. It's cracking the panel underneath and it's hitting the panel above as well and chipping all the paint away. And then we're going to repaint these two panels, get them looking nice and fresh. Maybe give the wheels a bit of a polish and the cab a nice clean off, ready for when he comes back off holiday. So let's crack on. So I'm going to start with the bumper and the chevrons first. The first thing we're going to do is take the number plate off, and then we'll start masking out around where we're painting to, make sure we're not catching the headlight panels or the plastic bits on the grille. And then yeah, we'll get to sanding out all these stone chips and where the paint's coming away. We'll probably paint the white first, and then we'll mask it off and we'll paint the red after. So that's all the bumper nicely tidied up. All the stone chips have been flattened out nicely. I'm gonna leave these lines in this side. There's no damage here, so we'll just use a Scotch-Brite to prep this up. Any of the underside, I've feathered all the under down as well. Any of the bits around the bolts, we'll tidy them up with a Scotch-Brite as well. So we're gonna get the bumper finished off, and then we're gonna move our attention over to these panels on the side, get these grinded out and repaired. Obviously, we're gonna have to take these couple of stickers off here. We'll paint these two panels, and then we're gonna move on to the wheels. We'll get the hubs brush painted red because we haven't got time to take the wheels off this time. We'll give the wheels a good polish, and then we'll give the cab a really good polish over and tidy up. So let's make a move. So I've grinded out the areas in a nice V form. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna get some P40 fiberglass, and we're just gonna put a nice layer of fiberglass over the damaged areas where it's cracked, top and bottom. That's why I've 80 gritted around it, just so it keys in. We'll let that go off, and then we'll flat that down nicely. And then we'll see if we need to get a bit of filler on it, or if we can go straight over the top with some fine filler. As always, thank you for all the love and the support on the previous videos. If you are enjoying my content, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any in the future. Hope you guys enjoy this one. That's the fiberglass nicely flattered down now. The next thing to do with this, we're going to mix up some stopper, and we're going to put a nice little thin layer of stopper over the top. slightly wider than before, smoothing that down, and then when we paint that, it will look like nothing ever happened. We're also decided I'm going to mask out this with lining tape, and we're going to paint all the way down the side skirt, just so it all ties in and it's nicely fresh and white. So while we're waiting for this fine filler to dry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some lining tape, and I'm just going to line out from the inside all the way down the side skirt, tape all the red off, just so we don't damage it when we're prepping the white above and below on the side skirts. So that's all the filler work finished now on this side. Lovely and smooth, ready for some primer and some top coat. It's all lined and masked out and prepped down the side skirts, ready to go. The bumper's all prepped up, ready to start masking off. And there's a piece on this side. Now the white's fine on this side, but the red's slightly damaged and there's some scratches through it. So what we'll do on this side is we'll just do it the opposite way around. We'll line out the white, and then we'll just paint the red stripe down this side again, just to freshen it up. And then we could just polish the white to make that look brand new again. But yeah, so we're gonna get this side done, and then we'll start getting it bagged off, masked out, ready to put the white on. We'll do all the white bits first. We'll bake it. We'll put the red chevrons on the bumper, and we'll also put the red in this piece down on the side skirt. So let's get on with it. So now I've rubbed that filler work off there, that's all ready to go. And everywhere else that needs to be painted is also ready to go. So I'm gonna start masking it out now. I'm gonna get cracked on with the bumper first, carefully masking around the top, making sure there's nowhere the paint can blow through. And then we're gonna drop some paper off underneath, seal it to the floor so it can't go underneath. And then we'll move around to the side and we'll bag the side of the cab off, cut all the panels out nicely. And yeah, let's start and get some masking on and get ready for some paint work. so she's all masked up now, all ready to start cleaning down. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get a degreaser in the spray bottle, spray over all the panels, wipe them off with some blue roll, just to make sure there's no oils and solvents on, as we always do. And then after that, we'll get the tack cloths out and go over it all twice with the tack cloth, make sure there's no fine dust left on the panels. And then we'll get some etch primer mixed up for the bumper where it's gone down to bare steel. And then we'll also get a bit of plastic primer just to put on these corners where it's gone through to the plastic, just so we're making sure 100% it's going to key to the surface. So yeah, we'll get these bits done and then we'll get it primed and we'll get her in white. And that's next. Just put a nice coat of etch primer along the front bumper. Now we're going to mix up the Sickens 350 beige primer. We're going to put a nice coat of that down the side skirt and on the repairs, and then just a nice coat along the bumper as well. Alright then, so here we go. This is for the top coat. We're using UHS 450, Ford Frozen White, CS711 activator, CS620 thinner, and that's mixed at a 3:1 ratio. So we'll mix this up, probably about half a litre. And yeah, let's get it on the bumper and the panels. So that's the side skirts, and this panel come out looking lovely. The front bumper's finished now in the white. The first thing we're going to do this morning is we're going to crack on, get all the chevrons lined out. We're going to put the ears red on for the chevrons. And then on this side, we've got this panel in the middle to do in the ears red as well. Tidy that up. We'll get it all baked and demasked, and then we'll start polishing all the wheels, and we'll get the hubs painted in the ears red as well, just so they're looking nice and fresh. And then we're going to fly over the cab, just clean it all up with some polish and some cleaner, and get it looking nice for when the driver comes back off holiday on Monday. So that's all the chevrons all masked and lined off now, looking incredible. The next thing we need to do is get a Scotch-Brite, a red one, just scotch up all the pieces that's going to be painted. And then there's a few bits just on this side panel to scotch up as well, just around the edges, making sure it's keyed in nicely. And then we'll get it blown off, cleaned down with degreaser, tack ragged, and then we'll get the ears red on. side finish now in the ears red. All the bumper, the chevrons are done as well. Looking fantastic. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna demask the entire truck, and then we can make a start polishing the Alcoa wheels, and then we'll get the hubs brush painted in ears red as well, just so they're nice and fresh. So yeah, coming out nice so far. So just as I'm finishing off polishing the cab, we're coming up to the end of another video here. So if you've made it this far, thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. Next up, we have another brand new trailer with a full repaint for Gwynedd Skip Hire. So I shall see you all in the next one, and here she is outside, looking beautiful in the sunshine. See you in the next one.